Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the Product Bullet Points Widget, a powerful feature designed to showcase your product's most important details in a clean, easy-to-read format. This widget helps you highlight product features, benefits, or specifications using simple bullet points. It's a great way to grab attention, build trust, and make product details clear at a glance. All right, let's get started. Accessing the widget. To access the Product Bullet Points widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Click on Debutify Widgets. Then select Product Bullet Points. To enable or disable it, go to Theme Settings, Growth Widgets. Once enabled, go back to Debutify Widgets, Product Bullet Points. Here you can customize all the settings. Position. This setting controls where the bullet points appear on your product page. Separate block. Displays bullet points in their own dedicated section for clear visibility. In description. Places bullet points directly inside the product description area. Position in description. If you choose to display bullet points in the description, you can decide their placement. Above description. Shows bullet points before the main description text. Below description. Displays them after the product description. Show 1 point per line. Enable this option to display each bullet point on a separate line for better readability. Bullet type. This determines the visual style of your bullet points. Icon. Displays a small icon next to each point. Numbers. Lists points in numbered order. Circle. Uses simple circular bullets. Rounded. Adds softly rounded bullet shapes. Square. Displays square bullet markers. Text alignment. This setting allows you to control how your bullet point text is positioned within the section. Left. Aligns the bullet text to the left side for a traditional, clean layout. Center. Centers the bullet text for a balanced and visually appealing look. Right. Aligns the bullet text to the right side for a unique and modern presentation. You can add tabs. Click to add block and select point. Inside each block, you can customize. Block name, used for internal identification of this block. It's recommended to keep the default name to avoid display or configuration issues. Example, Product Bullet Points. Content. This is where you enter your main bullet point text. Example, high-quality materials. Banner icon. Select or specify an icon to display next to your bullet point. Example, check circle. Custom icon color. When enabled, this option lets you choose a custom color for your selected icon. Simply toggle it on, then select your preferred icon color. Show as collapsible tab. When enabled, this turns your bullet point into a collapsible tab perfect for adding hidden, detailed content that expands when clicked. Collapsible tab content. Here, you can add additional details or supporting information. Example, crafted from premium durable materials that ensure long-lasting performance and a luxurious feel. Visibility settings. The visibility settings control where a specific product bullet points will appear across your product pages. You can choose to display the block everywhere or only when certain conditions are met. All page. Shows the block on all product pages. Collection-based. Shows the block only on products that belong to the collections you select. Example, Best Collection. Then this block will appear only on products inside Best Collection. Type-based. Displays the block only when the product matches the product types you enter. Example, Shirts. Shows only on products whose product type is shirts or hoodies. Tag-based. Shows the block only for products containing the exact tags you specify. Example, sweatshirt and pant sets. Block shows only on products tagged with sweatshirt or pant sets. Product-based shows only on specific products you manually select from the drop-down. Example: selected, Cactus Sunset Tea. Block shows only on that product. And that's it. Your Product Bullet Points widget is now fully set up. By customizing it, you'll highlight key product features, make shopping easier for your customers, and keep your store visually engaging. If you need any help, feel free to reach out to our Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with Debutify Theme.